COVID-19 is still present and numbers are on the rise. This is the message the Imperial County Public Health Department wants residents to remember as we head into summer. Our reporter Wiley Jahari joined us from Imperial County with the latest.
The virus still very much active in our community, and one medical center even says it's seeing its numbers go up. Tuesday marked the first day of summer, which means more gatherings and potential COVID-19 outbreaks.
We've had a couple of things. One, it was Father's Day, and then now Juneteenth. Those celebrations sometimes drive the numbers up.
ECRMC says it only has 3 hospitalizations related to COVID, but Dr. Edward wants residents to take their time in recovering from the virus.
They want to rush out of the disease. So they want to say, oh, it's been 5 days, I'm good, I'm not infectious.
Meanwhile, for Bow Medical Center, traffic seems to be picking up.
Actually, it's looking bad. Unfortunately, it's getting worse. Even my staff, we got more COVID positive.
But one thing some medical professionals are optimistic about.
We are very happy and excited that the Centers for Disease Control made the determination, the scientific determination, that it's good to include everybody that I believe 5 months and older.
I totally support these vaccines, and I totally highly recommend everybody who are qualified and who are available and who have not get the vaccines, please come and get the vaccines.
And currently there are about 500 active cases of COVID-19 across the valley. Medical experts encourage residents to exercise caution, especially as we head into the 4th of July. Reporting in El Centro, I'm Wiley Jahari.
And as you heard, children 6 months old to 5 years old are now eligible to receive their first COVID-19 vaccines. Some parents were quick to line up to get the shots, but others are more reluctant. Natalie Brand has more details from the White House.
There were a few tears from nervous toddlers, but parents could not be happier.
It's been a long time coming. I mean, we've been as careful as we could be within reason for a long, long time, and yeah, maybe excited to do some stuff inside now.
Cyrus Carras brought his 2-year-old daughter Amira for her long-awaited coronavirus vaccination. Did it hurt or not really?
Did it hurt?
Not really.
Not really, yeah.
Really. President Biden visited one of several D.C. clinics open Tuesday afternoon.
Relief, isn't it? Be able to do it? Oh, my goodness.
Doctors say vaccinating children is not only about protection, but also preventing potential long-term consequences.
For children in particular, while thankfully most have mild disease if they become infected with COVID-19, there are still a lot of unknowns. We don't know what happens to children when they're infected so young, what can happen to them as they get older.
Doctors are urging parents to get their youngsters vaccinated as soon as possible. A CDC survey released last week shows more than half definitely or probably will get their children vaccinated, with just under a third saying they definitely or probably will not. Natalie Brand, CBS News, Washington.
Back in the desert Southwest, 4 EMA firefighters are back home after helping to contain the sheep fire in San Bernardino. With more of their efforts, here's 13 on your side's Arlette Youssef.
The fire just northeast of Los Angeles, known as the Sheep Fire, sparked June 11th. Within 24 hours, a strike team from the desert Southwest was deployed to the area. The strike team performed a triage of neighborhoods near Wrightwood to determine which homes could be saved.
The next day, we were assigned to mop up closer to the fire, what we call the black area that's already been burned. Getting hot spots, making sure there was no progression of the fire past the fire lines.
The Yuma Fire Department says it's ready at a moment's notice for situations like this.
It's usually 2 or 3 times a year that there's a mutual aid request, normally from California is where the response is.
YFD says these 4 firefighters are trained and always prepared.
They know if there is a mutual aid response that it's going to be them, and that's a captain, an engineer, and 2 firefighters.
Erfurt says the specialized team continuously goes through a certification process and maintains what's called a red card, indicating they're qualified to fight wildland fires. When the Imperial Valley Strike Team left San Bernardino, the fire was about 91% contained. Thankfully, it was fully contained by Sunday. Reporting in Yuma, Arlette Youssef, 13 on your side.